Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome for once to a very nice, bright, and warm Friday afternoon in Bolton. I'm joined here with my mum. She's a bit camera shy, so I'm not gonna twist around the camera onto her. She's having a coffee and a chill out. Dad's in the shed and pottering around. And I've been doing a little project. I'll talk about that in a second. So, it's starting to come along nicely now, very, very gradually, And he's potted some tomatoes, very young tomatoes. We'll have a look at them, I think, in a bit, and then he's been doing a few bedding plants as well, them pink ones. So it's all good. So that's good. Anyway, so for today, I've been sorting out my GoPro Hero Black 9 Media Mod. Fine with the mod, it's perfect. The mod. It's the windsock, and during filming in Benidorm last September with Tommy, we were on top of the open top tourist bus going to Albia, and I'm guessing it got caught on something and it must have ripped it off, and I've lost it. So I can't find where it was on the bus. I don't think it had dropped down and underneath any of the chairs, so I think it probably lost in the street. I did get hold of GoPro and they were reasonably helpful, but instead of sending me a new windsock, they sent me a new bloody media mod instead with no windsock on it. They took it off, so I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, be that as it may, I've been utilising some windjammers. Now let me show you. So this is what I've had done. So this is the main microphone on the front, and this is the one that is going to get most of the heavy use, especially when this setup is on the car roof or the bike mount. This is going to get most of the wing rushing at it. I've also done, when I turn this around, the rear as well, and I think it's holding okay, and I think it's gonna hold all right. Time will tell, won't it? But yeah, they have really good instructions to follow. Very, very easy. Just utilise one of these, stick it on, peel it off the backing, stick it on your camera where the microphone is, peel that 3M cover off, and then utilise the windjammer, and you can cut either to any size you wish, really, as long as you've got a little bit of sticky and a little bit of microphone muff to cover the microphone. You're not going to get much ingress with any wind noise, which is what you're aiming for. So as with a GoPro, you can set the settings up so that the microphone, internal or external, front or rear or both, are working. So I'll just sort of give it a go. Anyway, take care all. See you soon. Bye.